Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? So today is Wednesday and I have got my face done and I'm wearing a bonnet because I'm going to go and get my hair done, period. I'm really excited. I haven't gotten my hair done in like a couple weeks actually. It's been a minute, so I'm really excited. I'm also super excited to be getting this particular hair in because I've really been into the shorter lengths and I'm glad to be going back. If you know, you know, when I had that bob I was obsessed, so I'm kind of going the same direction, but it's going to be a little bit longer. This hair is from Love Me Hair and I'm excited for this because the company Love Me Hair I've worked with before and I've always really enjoyed their wigs. I've always enjoyed the packaging, the experience of unboxing, the quality of the hair, so I'm really excited for this. And I always look forward to high quality wigs, especially if April is going to be installing them for me, because it's just always gonna bang and I know that I can wear this wig for an extended period of time, which is why I am installing on a Wednesday. And normally I try to do Thursday, Friday, just in case, you know, because a lot of the time I'm testing out their hair. So with Love Me Hair, I know that I love their hair. So I'm going to be able to wear this for an extended period of time over the weekend and maybe into the new week. So yeah, that is what's going on. So the hair that I'm installing is a 20-inch lace frontal and I will have all the details for you guys down below. So basically what I'm envisioning for today's install is I want to keep it simple. Like I said, I want to wear it for a long time, so I don't want to do any styles, any updos, anything like that, but I do think that I'm going to create a blunt lob. So that's the vibe I'm going for, just because of the weather. I do know that the weekend is going to be cold, so as you can see I'm wearing my puffer jacket. It is cold, so I think it's the vibe. I think that's the vibe that I'm looking for. I am going to be going out for dinner later on tonight, so I'm actually going to take pictures and, you know, do the whole thing, but I'm going to be wearing like a winter outfit, you know. So that's the inspo. I want to give lob vibes, and I think 20 inches is perfect because I can achieve that blunt look without losing length, you know. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing via inspo. But if you are interested in checking out Love Me Hair, I definitely recommend that you go onto their website and you just look around and you search around, because everything is going to be really good quality but for a good price. So yeah, it's not one of those hair companies where you get something that's affordable, but like it's affordable in the sense where you can tell like it's just like a factory wig. No, this is an actual good quality company. So I do recommend that. Yes, if you like my hair, definitely click the link. I will have a direct link to the hair that I will be wearing, but I do recommend that you click the link for the website so that you can check out their colors, you can check out their lengths and their different textures. So yeah, also I do recommend Love Me Hair for anybody who's looking for a easy wig to wear. They've got so many headband wigs, they've got so many wigs where you don't see the lace, so many fringe wigs, and I think that for winter is perfect. So if you're looking for something easy, if you're looking for something high quality but affordable, I think Love Me Hair is the perfect company for you. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be installing this hair. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't want to talk too much. My appointment is at 1 p.m. It is currently 12:30. So let me request my Uber and let me get out of here. Alright guys, so let's get started. We're going to start by preparing my hairline for the bald cap method. I'm going to be installing this wig glueless, so that basically means I'm going to be using Got2b. And yeah, all we're doing right over here is just making sure that that bald cap is going to look perfect, because we are installing an undetectable lace. So basically, the wig that I'm going to be installing by Love Me Hair is a 20-inch 13x4 undetectable HD lace frontal. It's a mouthful, but it basically means that the wig looks super natural and the lace is extremely soft. I zoomed in over here just so that you could see how it looked on my head before we even cut off the lace, and as you can see, it looks very beautiful, very natural. I did not have to do too much plucking, she didn't have to do too much to this wig, honestly. So all we're going to be doing now is she's going to cut off the ear tabs so that the wig can fit me properly, and then she's going to start cutting off the lace. And before she puts any glue on the lace, I actually wanted to zoom in and show you guys the undetectable lace. Obviously over here it has not been stuck down onto my forehead, but as you can see, the lace is stunning. Like I said, it's undetectable and it's HD. So yeah, this is my plug for all the girls that are looking for an HD lace frontal. Look at that. Just look at how beautiful that hairline is. So let's keep going. Right now, she is going to go ahead and start to actually install the hair. She placed that got to be onto my hairline and just made sure that it was tacky so that we can start the install process. So I told you guys that I'm going to be wearing this hair for a few days, and I did. I only took it off the next Monday, and what I can say is I experienced very little shedding. This is straight hair, and I really did expect for at least some shedding, but I really didn't experience that much. It didn't tangle also, and it was just overall a very nice soft wig to wear. It straightened really easily, and I didn't have to go in and keep straightening it throughout the weekend because it didn't, like I said, tangle or anything like that. It was just basically a very nice wig to have during the weekend when you know you're busy, when you know you're doing stuff. So that's basically how I experienced the wig. But if you guys want to see for yourself, definitely go down into my description box and make sure that you click the link. I will have the link to the store, and then I'll also have a link to this hair. I really do recommend HD if you're looking for a quality wig that you're going to keep for a very long time. I definitely recommend HD. And this is the final reveal where we basically started playing with the hair. And for a 20-inch, look at how impressed we are. We were so impressed. This hair is very long for a 20-inch. That's another thing. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. You're not getting a skimpy wig, you know? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely enjoyed this wig. If you haven't seen my TikTok or my Instagram video about it, definitely go and follow me over there, and make sure that you follow Love Me Hair as well. But girl, this is me. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you guys keep well.